everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be installing Windows 10 and VMware. Yeah, you heard me right. We are installing Windows 10. It will be a good thing to do because it will be short and all. So let's begin. It will be Windows 10 Enterprise Education Edition. Yeah, it's going to be pretty good. And we're going to be waiting for some time. So whilst we're waiting, we're just going to be waiting. Yeah, we're just staying here until the process is complete. Like that, copying Windows files. No way. Plus, it's just an old version, so it'll take a few. It will take a bunch of time. It's an older version of Windows 10. It'll take bigger time. Oh! It's getting faster. Okay. Y'all, what do you think of it? Okay. Let's just wait here patiently. Let's be patient. We're gonna be patient. Yeah, we're just going to be patient. Overall, we're just going to be waiting over here until the process is done. Okay. Setup is going to be done in approximately 10 seconds. This is a bit annoying, but somehow we have to do what we have to do. This is going to take a while. Okay, but this may take a while. Just sit here and do nothing. Oh, done. It's going to be installing. It's installing updates. So that's the Windows 10 Plus. That is the cursor from Windows 8.1. Yeah, this may be a bit confusing, but what you know is what you got to do. Oh! VMware is just getting further and better and better. Yeah, it's getting better every time. Anyway, the logo is reappearing. This may take a while. Okay. Okay, let's just wait. Let's end this. And Windows 10 is just running on my PC. The setup. Yeah, to downgrade honestly. You don't get it in upgrade to Windows 10. What you know? Sorry, that was just my weird voice. Hey. Let's just wait. Okay. Okay. Getting ready. Gonna be. Yeah. Listen, my keyboard is a bit hot. Oh, that just almost burnt my hands. Ooh. Okay. Why is my typing phone is name? The computer is hot. Come on. What? What is that? I have 4 mouses, I think. Restarting. Did the computer just freeze? What is going on? I need to do control. VMware. Come on. Restart, please. Windows 10. Of course, the setup is manual. Yeah, the setup is quite short. Let's hear the Windows sound. Does that mean Windows 10 is loading? Windows 10 is loading POS. It's loading. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. Welcome. Welcome in, user. Windows 10 should be saying that. Yeah. Windows 10. But what was that? Windows 10? At first I saw my face in the computer, but then it just turned. Then it just got bluish. I thought again, and now it's just appearing. Now it's appearing. Hey, let's see a illusion. I must get a MacBook and do an unboxing video. I think instead of seeing an Intel Core, not Intel, a MacBook would be good. Yeah, like my Windows computer would be here. My Mac computer would be here. Yeah, where my hand is currently. Yeah. Okay, so leaving okay, let's just leave everything to us. Just be a bit patient and all. Patience, y'all. Okay. If you want to put in fast forward, do it. Okay? Put it in fast forward if you want to. Almost there. Does that mean Windows 10? Hello. That's right, the WinVer. WinVer. This is WinVer. It's pretty gold. Yeah, Windows 10. Yeah. So that was the end of the video. Hope you liked it. See you soon. Bye bye. Yeah. So you leave the video now. Bye.